Let's talk about ducted air handlers. You know, those noisy monstrosities located in your basement or attic that condition and move the air in your home? Many are simply outdated heat pumps or fossil fuel burning systems paired with a large fan unit. When running, the system circulates the air in your home by pushing air through the ducts to cool and heat your personal environment. At Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating, our engineers have taken the simple concept of the ducted air handler and improved it. Introducing the Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating SVZ Series Ducted Air Handler, featuring our patented inverter compressor technology. Designed to be a direct replacement for virtually any ducted system in a home, the SVZ is a powerful, efficient, yet quiet improvement to ducted air handling technology. At the heart of the SVZ is our inverter-driven outdoor unit. Similar to a light switch, past traditional systems have operated their compressors in a basic on-off manner, constantly using maximum energy to cool or heat your home. By comparison, our outdoor units are inverter-driven. They adjust and modulate the compressor speed and energy use continuously, keeping the space at your selected temperature. By not wasting energy, this technology results in a dramatic savings of up to 40% compared to traditional systems. The SVZ also features a versatile vertical or horizontal configurability with an impressive compact size both inside and out. Inside, the high-quality design and fiberglass-free R4.2 rated insulated construction results in low air leakage and even lower operational sound levels when compared to other systems on the market today. Other SVZ features include Energy Star certified with a 16 to 17 SEER rating, connections for ERV, humidifier, and supplemental heating, multiple control options via thermostat interface, Kumo Cloud app, and standard controllers, standard-sized washable filter. The SVZ series from Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating is just another advancement in the pursuit of total personalized comfort. For more information on the SVZ, please visit us online at MitsubishiComfort.com. Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating. Make comfort personal.